Students, in our previous lecture, we have studied about the sign conventions and the power of a lens. So, today we will start with the blueprint questions at page number 185. First question of this blueprint we have done, that define the power of a cell. Power of a lens, it is 1 diopter. Yesterday I have given the definition of this. Now we will start with the question number 2, and this question is: a convex lens forms a real and inverted image of a needle at a distance of 50 centimeter from it. By reading this statement, first of all, underline the type of lens and the type of image formed in the question. And this is the image distance given in the question. Where is the needle placed in front of the convex lens if the image is equal to the size of object? It means these are the main points of the question that we want to focus. Also find the power of the lens. So students, while you are solving these numericals, whether you are solving the numericals of mirror or the lenses, first of all draw a rough diagram of the type of lens which is given to you in your question. The convex lens is given to you, and first of all make a diagram. For convex lens, draw its principal axis and draw its f1, 2f1, f2 and 2f2. And after that, image distance is given to you, and you know that real image in case of convex lens, it is always formed in the right side of the optical center. So the sign of the V, it is positive for real image, and object is always placed in the left side, so sign of U, that is negative. Focal length of this, it is always in the right side, then focal length, it is positive, that we want to calculate. But by writing these sign conventions, we come to know about the sign that we calculate the value, whether it is positive or negative. We can check our answer. So first of all, the things which are given to you in your question, that is image distance V is equals to plus 50 centimeter. Magnification is given to you, that the size of image is equal to size of object. So magnification of a lens, that is equal to h dash upon h is equals to size of image upon size of object. And in this case, when the this will happen when the object is placed at 2f and image is also formed at 2f2. At that time, the size of object is equal to size of image. If the size both they are same, then we know that this value, that is equal to 1. If any number is there, suppose this is 5 centimeter, then this is also 5 centimeter, then when 5 is divided by 5, then we will get 1. What the image is real and inverted, and the magnification for real image is negative. So we will write down the value of m is equals to minus 1 here. Now height is not by height we get the value of magnification. Now we want to calculate, only one value is given in this question, that V is given to you, and you have to calculate f, you have to calculate the U. Two things that you want to calculate. So by using the formula of magnification, we can find out the value of U. So magnification in terms of U and V, that is m is equals to V upon U. The value of m is minus 1 is equals to V upon U. V is given to you, that minus 1 is equal to 50 upon U, and minus U is equals to 50. You can cross multiply it, or U is equals to minus 50 centimeter. So students, now where the needle is placed, that needle is to be placed at 50 centimeter in front of the lens. As in this rough diagram, we know that the value of U, it should be negative, and when we calculate the value of U, it is also negative. It means the value calculated by U, that is right. Now we want to calculate the power. For calculating the power of a lens, we need the focal length. So by using this lens formula, minus 1 upon U plus 1 upon V is equals to 1 upon f. Substitute all these value in this formula. That minus, this is the negative sign in the formula, but this negative sign it is along with the value. Write down both. Don't get confused that we will mark negative here, then we will not mark the negative sign with the term. Plus 1 upon 50, this is the image distance, is equals to 1 upon f. Minus minus plus, then 1 upon 50 plus 1 upon 50 is equals to 1 upon f. So LCM is 50, then 1 plus 1 is equals to 1 upon f, and 2 upon 50 is equals to 1 upon f, or 1 upon f is equals to 1 upon 25. So the value of focal length, it is 25 centimeter. Now we want to calculate the power of the lens. So power of a lens is equals to this is in centimeter, then we will use the formula of centimeters, that 100 upon f in centimeter, then 100 upon 25, that is equal to 4 diopters. Therefore the power of the lens, that is equal to 4 diopters. Now question number 3, find the power of a concave lens of focal length 2 meter. So you know, draw a diagram for concave lens and recall that its focal length, it is in this side, so its focal length, it is negative. Whatever the value of focal length it is given to you, you have to mark the sign along with the focal length. So focal length, it is 2 meter minus 2 meter, and power in power is equals to 1 upon f in meters. Substitute value because it is 2 meter, then we get it is minus 0.5 diopter. So students, these are the 3 blueprint questions. Now your exercise questions, all the questions related to the mirrors we have done earlier in the part of reflection. Now only there is a question of lenses. One question is there, question number 9 of your exercise, that 1/2 of the convex lens is covered with a black paper. Will this lens produce a complete image of the object? So this is a convex lens, and this half portion of this lens, it is covered with black paper, as I have show you this in this way. Now anywhere the object is kept on the principal axis. Suppose for example I have kept the object at 2f1 and the image it is formed at 2f2, because the first ray which is parallel to the principal axis, after refraction it passes from the principal focus, and the second ray which is passing from the optical center, it also pass undeviatedly, and these two rays they intersect at a point where the image is formed, and this image it is formed at 2f2. So we can say that when half of the part of the lens it is covered with black paper, then the complete image of the object is formed. Now there are 3-4 questions which are on the basis of lenses. You have to solve these questions of these exercise questions of chapter Light in your notebook. Thank you.